Hi, I'm Leon McBryde, and we're here at my home and we're on the deck. And today I want to demonstrate to you the eyebrow whitener that we have. And I have with me my friend Lee Andrews is going to let me do that. As you can see, we've already got one of his eyebrows whitened, and so you can see the difference between the dark and the light. So now let's make his other one white too, and I'll show you how. Okay, you unscrew it, take it out. It has a little applicator brush already on it. You want to go against the hair, not with the hair, in order to apply it. Actually, you want it to kind of look like maybe Santa Claus has got some frost in his eyebrow, and that he just came down from the North Pole. See how fast we did that? It doesn't take long at all, and it dries real fast too. And then you could go back if you wanted to smooth that out, and smooth it out some, like that. That's as simple as it is. I hope you have a great season this year, and I hope you keep your eyebrows white by using the ProFACE eyebrow whitener. Thank you.